Welcome back to Review Car, the ultimate channel for car enthusiasts, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we are diving into the fastest car of 2025, a true marvel of engineering and design, the hypercar that's been breaking records and turning heads everywhere it goes. Let's explore its exterior in detail, so buckle up and let's get started. This beast of a car comes from a lineage of innovation, crafted by one of the most respected names in the automotive world. It's not just about speed, it's about legacy, passion, and pushing the limits of what's possible. With its predecessors dominating the track and redefining road cars, the 2025 model is a culmination of decades of expertise. It's a car that not only challenges the wind but rewrites what we thought was possible in automotive design. Let's start with the design. The first thing you notice is its aerodynamic profile. Every line, curve, and crease has been meticulously engineered for maximum efficiency and speed. At the front, you're greeted with an aggressive yet elegant fascia, featuring razor-sharp LED headlights that slice through the darkness like blades. The large air intakes are not just for show. They direct air precisely where it's needed to cool the engine and enhance performance. Moving along the sides, the car boasts sculpted panels that flow seamlessly, reducing drag while maintaining an intimidating stance. The use of lightweight materials, including carbon fiber and aluminum, ensures both durability and agility. Its low-slung body hugs the ground, giving it an unmistakable road presence. The wheels are a masterpiece in themselves, massive multi-spoke alloys wrapped in ultra-low-profile tires, designed to provide maximum grip at high speeds. At the rear, the car takes it to another level with a dramatic diffuser and an active spoiler that adjusts on the fly, providing optimal downforce. The taillights are a work of art, with a futuristic design that blends seamlessly into the rear's sleek profile. Dual exhausts sit prominently, hinting at the beastly power lurking beneath the hood. It's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Every element of this car's exterior is designed with performance in mind. The aerodynamic package is cutting edge, with active flaps and vents that adjust dynamically based on speed and driving conditions. These features aren't just for show, they enhance stability, increase speed, and improve handling. The lightweight construction ensures the car remains nimble, whether you're on the track or tackling a mountain pass. The exterior also incorporates state-of-the-art cooling systems, from the hood vents to the side intakes. Everything has a purpose, ensuring that the car's powertrain operates at peak performance, even under extreme conditions. And the attention to detail doesn't stop there. Even the mirrors have been replaced with cameras for better aerodynamics and visibility. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of the exterior design of the fastest car of 2025. It's a masterpiece of engineering and aesthetics, built to dominate the roads and tracks alike. If you're as excited about this car as we are, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what you think of this beast. Until next time, keep exploring the world of cars with Review Car. See you soon.